So hi friend, this is Amit and here I am going to provide you the complete information regarding the KSET 2024 top 30 college expected cutoff for this year. So here I am going to cover all the top 30 colleges and I will cover the cutoff for different type of branch, that is CSE, CSE specialization has been added in most of the college, ISE, that is Information Science Engineering, EC. These all college, most of the college you will get through COMEDGA also, but if you are from KSET examination you will get at less fee, that is same college with less fee. So that's why you should prefer KSET counseling. So let's get started with the video. RV college, if you are looking, then CSE 350 ranks you should have, then only you are going to get the CSE branch, CSE core up to last round, CSE specialization up to 800, ISE up to 500, EC up to 1.2 thousand. You will get the seat, that too with better counseling process. Do the counseling carefully, do the choice filling, everything very carefully. Now if you talk about BMS, 1.2 3000, 2.3 3000 again, that is for CSE, CSE specialization, ISC and ECE. In case of CSE specialization it is 3000 because there are lots of CSE specialization branch available, that's why you can get up to 3000 also, that is a little bit less demandable. Now if you talk about MS Ramaiah, then 1.6 thousand, 3.5, 2.5 and 5000, it is for CSE, CSE specialization, ISC and EC branch. Now if you talk about DSC, that is Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, then 4.5, 9, 7 and 11.5 thousand for CSE, CSE specialization, ISC, EC respectively. Here I would like to inform you, if you want the complete counseling guidance to fill the right choices, that is in correct order, after each round I will guide you whether you should join this college or not. And if you have multiple options like KSET, VIT, COMEDGA, AEEE, Manipal, counseling, BITSET, JOSA, so where you should join, where you should not, so everything I will be providing to you. It is complete career guidance program. Once you register with my guidance you will get up to your admission is done. Here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSET, COMEDGA, AEEE or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending everything. So now if you talk about for BIT, that is Bangalore Institute of Technology, 6.5, 12,000, 9 and 14,000. That is for different type of branches, you can check the heading. For Acharya 18 and 27, 23, 30,000. For PACE Ring Road 1.4 thousand for CSE, and there is no CSE specialization option available. EC 5,000. And the BNM 11, 16, 13 and 20,000 for CSE, CSE specialization, ISC and EC branch. Now if you talk about BMS ITM 6.5, 12, 9 and 16. If you want the lower branch like mechanical, civil, electrical branches cutoff of this college, kindly comment down about any college, or if you want for all college you can comment down for all college, so that I will make another video regarding this. Now if you talk about CMR 14, 23, 19 and 28,000, DSATM 17, 20, 25, 26,000. Dr. Ambedkar 15, 23, 18 and 22,000. SJC 2.5 thousand and 25,000. This is for CSE and EC. Now if you talk about JSS 80, 18, again 18, 23 and 28,000. Now if you talk about for NI Mysore North Campus 6.5, 10, 9, 11,000. Now if you talk about for NIT Meenakshi, that is NITI Meenakshi, and 9,000, 15,000, 16 and 22,000. For RNS 10,000 for CS, CS specialization 17,000, ISE 13,000, EC 20,000. SIT Tumkur 6.5, 12, 10, 15. PACE Electronic City Campus 5, 6 and 9,000. New Horizon 11, 19, 13 and 19,000 again. Now if you talk about for SMVIT 12, 16, 14 and 23,000. JSS TU 4, 6, 5 and 8.5 thousand. SJB 18, 24, 22, 28. PACE ITM 34, 21, 40 and 50,000. PACE Mandya 19, 27, 25, 29,000. UBC that is University of Visvesvaraya College of Engineering 3.5, 6,000, 4.6 and 9,000. Cambridge Institute of Technology 25, 45, 33, 50,000. Bangalore College of Engineering and Technology 45, 62, 50 and 70,000. KLE Dharwad 8.5 and 16,000. Global 20, 28, 25 and 34,000. So this was about top 30 colleges in KSET counseling process. If you want more, you can ask for more colleges. I will provide you lower 10 as well and on the same channel. So please try to subscribe the channel, and whenever you want the complete counseling guidance, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. Thank you.